this is Theo here. Welcome back to Free Code Camp, Lesson 12, JavaScript and Algorithms Data Structure Certification based JavaScript. So we'll start with using conditional logic with if statements. So you can go ahead and read about this, but basically these are blocks that will run if a certain condition is met or if it's not met. So create an if statement inside this function to return yes, that was true, if the parameter was that true is true. Okay, so here we have it. And what we're going to say is if was that true, right? Here's our block, and then what we want to do is then just return something else. We're going to say return no, that was false, and we'll say return yes, that was true. Clean that up a little bit. Let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. Okay, number 2, comparison with the equality operator. So the most basic operator is the equality operator, double equals. This compares two values and returns true if they're equivalent. Note that equality is different from assignment, which is 1 equal sign. And again, this doesn't get into it, but there's actually 3. And 3 will check for both type and equality. So if we have a 1 here and a string of 1, then it will return false with triple equals, but we'll get into that. So add the equality operator to the indicated line. So basically, we'll say if val is equal to 12, and then you will see here we have 10, which is interposed as or interpolated for val as 10, and that shouldn't return anything. So there we go. Number 3 is the strict equality. That's what I'm saying. So this is both common type. So again, we can sort of see this comparison here returns false. So you use the strict equality operator in the if statement, so the function will return equal when val is strictly equal to 7. So basically we will just do this, 7, return equal, go ahead and run this, good to go. 4, practice comparing different values. So the compare equality function in the editor compares two values using the equality operator. Modify the function that returns equal only when the values are strictly equal. So basically we're just going to change that to 3. We're going to go ahead and run this. To go. And number 5, comparison with the inequality operator. So add the inequality operator here, and basically what we're going to do is says if val is not equal to 99. Okay, and we want to run this block of code right here. Cool. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. And that's it for this lesson. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Check out the videos. The links in the description to course I recommend on React JavaScript, and take care. See you in the next video.